Hey guys, it's me, King Pig. Now, to be very quiet, right now, we have 4 Angry Birds eggs, and I'm gonna eat one. Actually, since I'm King Pig, I'm gonna be a nice little piggy. Cause look at me. I'm playing around with them. Yay, naughty 3 eggs. Nice. Look at them. I can play hot potato. Wakey, eggs and bakey. Yeah, this is my favorite egg. I'm gonna keep this forever and... Uh-oh, it cracked. Oh no. Don't worry, no, you're okay. Don't worry, no, I accidentally broke one. Pretending that this never happened. What?